Hello, I'm Mrs. Stevenson. The combined gas law is a law that shows us how pressure, volume, and temperature are all related. As you can see here, the pressure and volume have an inverse relationship, pressure and temperature have a direct relationship, and volume and temperature have a direct relationship. And there are different laws that were used to help derive this combined gas law. Boyle's law says that pressure and volume have an inverse relationship and is written as P1V1 is equal to P2V2. Pressure and volume of the first thing, pressure and volume of the second. Charles's law shows that volume and temperature have a direct relationship and is written as V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. And the Gay-Lussac law says that pressure and temperature have a direct relationship and is written as P1 T1 is equal to P2 T2. And you can use all three of these to help you derive the combined gas law. And when you want to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to multiply Boyle's law by Charles' law. And when you do that, you get P1 V1 squared over T1 is equal to P2 V2 squared over T2. Again, we multiplied Boyle's law and Charles' law. Your next step then is to multiply by the Gay-Lussac law, which gives you P1 squared V1 squared over T1 squared equals P2 squared V2 squared over T2 squared. And if you look at this, it looks very, very close to the combined gas law, except that everything is squared. If you remember from your math classes, the way that you can get rid of everything being squared is you're going to take the square root of both sides of your equation, and when you do that, you end up with the combined gas law, which says P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. And this still shows pressure and volume have an inverse relationship, pressure and temperature have a direct relationship, and volume and temperature have a direct relationship.